Hello engineers, welcome to the video number 51 in learning MOSFETs through shorts, and in this particular video we are going to see the gain offered by this particular circuit. So as you can see, this is a normal CS amplifier over which we have connected a diode connected MOSFET. So we all know that the impedance offered by the diode connected MOSFET, it is R0 in parallel with 1 by GM. Since this is M2, so that's why we wrote it as R02 in parallel with 1 by GM2. So this entire circuit is known as CS amplifier with a diode connected MOSFET. Okay, now we just need to find the gain offered by this particular circuit. So for that, we all know gain offered by the normal CS amplifier, when we connect RD over here, it is minus of GM1 times of RD in parallel with R01, right? Input impedance of M1. So now instead of RD we have R02 in parallel with 1 by GM2. So that's why the gain will be minus of GM1, which this is exactly similar to this one, right? Minus of GM1, and instead of RD we just need to replace RD with R02 in parallel with 1 by GM2, right? So this will be R01 impedance of input impedance of M1 in parallel with R02 in parallel with 1 by GM2. If R01 and R02 they are infinite, so lambda will be 0, right? So in that case my gain will be equivalent to transconductance of MOSFET 1, that is GM1, divided by transconductance of MOSFET 2, that is GM2, right? And if you remember the equation for transconductance, it is this under root of 2 mu n COX W by L of 1 into ID. Now there are three different equations. If you see, three different equations of transconductance. Why we prefer to go with this one, I have explained this particular reason in the longer video. If you want to understand that, you can watch that particular video. And why we are skipping these two equations of transconductance, I have explained that particular reason very well, right? So now you see, this are the constant, that is 2 mu n COX and ID. So this will be cancelled, and what we essentially have is this, that is the gain offered by a CS amplifier with a diode connected MOSFET. It will be equivalent to minus of under root of W by L1 divided by W by L2. I hope you understood the concept. To understand the concepts related, this kind of concepts related to electronics, make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.